Okay guys, I have been requested to do a video of how my resin table is holding up in the backyard and on the deck, and it's gonna rain today. So my husband has piled up all the cushions on top of it, but I pulled it out, and here is my piece. It's got some watermarks on it that will come off with alcohol, but as you can see, it is not yellowing at all. Like I said, it is not in direct sunlight. It gets the sun at a certain time every day for whatever, a half hour, whatever, when the sun is in that direction. But other than that, it's not in direct sun, but it's not getting soft from the heat. It's not getting yellow, and that's been since what, May something that I put it out here, and it's doing very, very well. So I am impressed with our resin, very impressed. But again, like I said, do not put it in direct sunlight, which it says it's going to rain, but the sun keeps trying to sneak out. So, okay guys, so there you go. Now you know. Northern Lights resin takes a lot longer to yellow than most. Now, if it was in direct sunlight, I'm not sure how long it would take, but because I really enjoy this piece, I'm not going to take the chance. I will do a test with something little that I don't really, I'll make something up and put it in direct sun and see what happens. But I really like this piece, so it's staying where it's staying, which usually it sits between these two chairs. But as you can see, my husband has stacked it up. So, okay guys, so there you go. Test done. Have a great weekend.